Good morning. My name is Jordan Salgante and I'm here to report about vectors and matrices, coordinate systems, and 3D math operations. So, let's start. Vector matrices, coordinate systems, and 3D math operations are fundamental concepts in computer graphics, game development, simulation, and various other fields. Itong report na to, it aims to explore on these concepts in details, highlighting their significance and applications in practical scenarios. So number one, let's start with vectors and matrices. Vectors. What is vector? A vector is a mathematical object that represents a quantity with magnitude and direction. Sa computer graphics and development, vectors are extensively used to represent positions, directions, velocities, forces, other physical quantities. Ang mga key properties ng vectors, they include magnitude, the length or size of the vector denominated by v or v, calculated using the Pythagorean theorem in 2D or in Euclidean norm in 3D. Direction. The orientation of the vector specified by its components along the coordinates x, y, and z in 3D. Operations. Vector supports various operations such as addition, subtraction, scalar manipulation, dot product, cross product, normalization, and projection. So, let's go with matrices. What is a matrix? Matrices. A matrix is a rectangular array of numbers arranged in rows and columns. In computer graphics and game development, matrices are primarily used to represent transformations such as translation, rotation, scaling, and projection. So, this is an example of matrix. So, this is a column and then a row. So, yan. Ito yung more on sa translation siya and scaling and rotation ng isang project, ng isang item. Ang mga key properties ng matrix includes dimensions, the size of the matrix denoted by the number of rows and columns. Elements, the individual number of entries of matrix typically represented as Aij rather, where I denote the row index, J denote the column index. Matrices supports operations such as addition, subtraction, scalar manipulation, matrix multiplication, transpose, determinant, and inversion. Number two, we have coordinate system. Coordinate systems are fundamental to representing positions and orientation in space. In computer graphics, ang coordinate system is various coordinate system that is used each with its own conventions and applications. So, alamin natin kung ano yung mga conventions and applications na yun. Cartesian coordinate system. The most common coordinate system where positions are represented by x, y, and z coordinates. The y-axis pointing right, the x-axis is pointing up, and z-axis is pointing out of the screen. Right-handed coordinate system yon. Screen coordinate system used in 2D graphics and user interfaces where positions are represented by x and y coordinates, with the origin typically at the top left corner of the screen. And we also have homogeneous coordinate system. Extends the Cartesian coordinate system to include an additional coordinate, w, enabling a fine transformation such as translation, rotation, and scaling to be represented as matrix multiplications. Polar coordinate system represents a position using radial distance, which is represented by r, and angular direction, which is represented by the sign omega, often used for circular and angular transformation. Understanding and manipulating coordinate system is essential for proposing positioning objects, defining camera views, and implementing transformations in graphic applications. So it is very important in the positioning your object, in scaling your object, rotating it, defining the camera views, and also implementing transformation in graphic applications. So again, this is all taught about, tinuro sa atin to sa physics, no? Yung mga x and y axis. So nandoon lahat yan. So really, ang pag-develop ng isang game, you have to have a good understanding din sa mathematics. So, speaking of mathematics, 3D math operations tayo ngayon. Translation. Ano ba ang translation? Kanina pa natin siya binabanggit. Moving an object along a specified direction or distance in 3D space. Translation can be represented as vector and applied using matrix manipulation with translation matrix. So, if you want to move an object along a specified direction or distance doon sa 3D space natin, sa engine natin, so that is already called translation. Next, we have rotation. Changing the orientation of an object around a specified axis or point in 3D space. Rotations can be represented as matrices or quaternions and applied using matrix multiplications and quaternion multiplication. So, again, dun na sa name, sa rotation, no? You can also use the x and y axis to rotate your object, rotate the project, no? If you want to rotate the thing that you built doon sa mismong 3D space, and yun, gagalaw natin ng x, y axis, and z axis if you want to, no, para ma-rotate yung object na yun. Then we have scaling. Changing the size of an object along one or more dimensions in 3D space. Scaling can be represented as scaling vector or matrix and applied using matrix multiplication. So, again, sa scaling naman is changing the size of an object. So, if you want to change the size of your fist, pwede mo siyang palakihin, no? Palakihin siya or papalitin natin siya. It depends on you, on what you want to scale, no? It is very useful when you are designing or creating a specified character or an object in a game. We also have projection. Transforming 3D coordinates into 2D screen coordinates for rendering. Common projection techniques includes perspective projection and orthographic projection, each with its own mathematical formulations and properties. So, projection is, again, transforming yung 3D coordinates mo into 2D space, 2D screen coordinates. Transformation and transformation composition. Combining multiple translation, rotation, scaling into a single composite transformation matrix. Ito, inaalaw niya yung efficient application of complex transition sa isang object ng 3D space. Vector and matrix operations. Various vectors and matrix operations are fundamental to performing 3D math operations, including vector addition, subtraction, scalar manipulation, dot product, cross product, matrix multiplication, transpose, determinant, and inversion. Yung pag-master mo ng 3D math operation is very essential for implementing rendering pipelines, no? And animation system, physics simulation, and game mechanics in 3D graphic applications. So, in conclusion, no, vectors and matrices, coordinate systems, and 3D math operations form the bedrock of computer graphics, game development, simulation, and related fields. Understanding these concepts and their application is very essential for forming a creative and visual scenes in your games, visual graphics, immersive gameplay, experiences, and realistic simulations. By mastering these kinds of fundamental principles, developers can unleash their creativity and push forward the boundaries of interactive entertainment. Continued learning and practice is a key for these concepts, for you to master these concepts. So, I hope I helped a lot. Yun lang po ang aking report. Thank you very much.